And I waited at the mooring where I thought I'd catch first sight of you. I waved and I waved, though I knew you couldn't see. It would be another hour till I held you close to me. There were 3 ships sailing, all with treasure in their holds. One carried silver and the second carried gold. The third carried you, my love, safely home to me. And it held the greatest treasure love that ever sailed the sea. Now here was the day that I'd long been waiting for, when the anchors hit the water and the boats were pulling for the shore. We stood in the bow of the first one into land. How could I forget the feeling as you reached out for my hand? There were 3 ships sailing, all with treasure in their holds. One carried silver and the second carried gold. The third carried you, my love, safely home to me. And it held the greatest treasure love that ever sailed the sea. Though you put the sea behind you, still I know it's got its charm. And until you hear it calling, I'll hold you in my arms. There were 3 ships sailing, all with treasure in their holds. One carried silver and the second carried gold. The third carried you, my love, safely home to me. And it held the greatest treasure love that ever sailed the sea. There were 3 ships sailing, all with treasure in their holds. One carried silver and the second carried gold.